Real Estate Investing for Beginners. In this video we have an exciting topic for all you beginners out there, Real Estate Investing 101. Whether you're looking to build wealth or secure your financial future, real estate can be an excellent avenue for achieving your goals. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of real estate investing and provide some valuable tips to get you started. Let's dive in. Section 1: Understanding Real Estate Investing. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of real estate investing, let's take a moment to understand what it is. Real estate investing involves purchasing properties with the intention of generating income or increasing their value over time. There are several ways to invest in real estate, but the most common ones for beginners include 1. Rental properties. Buying a property and renting it out to tenants. 2. Fix and flip. Purchasing a property, renovating it, and selling it for a profit. 3. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Investing in companies that own and operate income-generating real estate. Section 2: Setting your goals. Setting clear goals is crucial for any successful investment journey. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve through real estate investing? Are you looking for passive income, long-term wealth building, or diversifying your investment portfolio? Remember that real estate investing, like any other venture, involves risks. Having well-defined goals will help you stay focused and make informed decisions throughout your journey. Section 3: Educating yourself. Knowledge is power in the world of real estate investing. Before diving in, invest some time in educating yourself about the local market, real estate trends, and investment strategies. There are countless books, online courses, and resources available to beginners that can help you build a solid foundation. Networking with experienced investors can also provide valuable insights and mentorship. Attend real estate seminars or join online forums to connect with like-minded individuals and gain practical knowledge. Section 4: Finances and Budgeting. Let's talk finances. Real estate investing often requires a substantial amount of capital. Before making any investment, evaluate your financial situation and create a budget. Calculate your expenses, including the property purchase, renovation costs, if applicable, and ongoing expenses like property management and maintenance. It's essential to have a contingency fund as well, as unexpected expenses can arise in real estate. If you plan on taking out a loan, shop around for the best mortgage rates and terms. Section 5: Location, Location, Location. They say the three most important things in real estate are location, 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 and it's true. The location of your investment property plays a significant role in its potential for appreciation and rental income. Look for areas with strong economic growth, a low vacancy rate, and proximity to amenities like schools, public transportation, and shopping centers. Remember that a property in a great location may come with a higher price tag, but it could also offer better returns in the long run. Section 6: Analyzing potential properties. When you find a property that catches your eye, it's time to crunch the numbers. Conduct a thorough analysis of the property's potential income and expenses. Calculate the potential rental income and compare it to the overall costs, including the mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Ensure that the property's cash flow is positive, especially if you're aiming for a rental investment. Section 7: Building a reliable team. Real estate investing isn't a one-person show. Building a reliable team is essential for success. Consider working with a real estate agent, property manager, accountant, and attorney. Each member will play a vital role in different stages of your investment journey, providing you with valuable guidance and expertise. Section 8: Taking the Leap. Congratulations! You've done your research, set your goals, and analyzed potential properties. Now it's time to take the leap and make your first investment. Remember that taking action is often the hardest part, but it's crucial to move forward and learn from the experience. Conclusion. And there you have it, real estate investing for beginners. Remember, real estate investing is a journey of learning and growth. Stay patient, stay informed, and be prepared to adapt to market changes. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.